All right, time to take a look at the ORICO 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch hard drive adapter. It does come with a bunch of mounting screws, so that's good. And we have two of them. So it looks like the hard drive is just going to plug in here, and we have an output right there. So that way, no matter what, the form factor is going to be exactly the same. We have mounting holes on the side, so you can put that in any kind of a bay. I've got this Cooler Master bay, and that does just clip in nicely. So I can take my hard drive and just press it in. And you'll know that's lined up because the holes on the bottom will be in the correct spot. So if you really want to, you can actually screw this hard drive in to make sure that this is one complete piece. So I'm going to try to plug this guy in just like this. And we'll do a speed test. Okay, so it looks like we got absolutely no loss in performance. So what that means is that this is simply a pass-through device, which is exactly how I want it. So this hard drive is going to run exactly the same with this adapter as it would without it. It has nice brass threaded inserts in here to make sure we're not going to be messing up any of the threads. It has plenty of different spots for mounting on it. So this is going to do exactly what I was looking for, which is something where I can just take a 2.5, turn it into a 3.5 form factor, and it works just like that. So this is a very nice adapter.